Attention X-ray technicians. What if I told you that QQQI could replace your whole entire salary? In this video, we're going to look at the figures, and these numbers are going to shock you. Now guys, what if I told you that you won't need $2 million, $1 million, you won't even need $650,000. Before we get to the video, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational, information, and entertainment purposes. So please do your own research. And guys, this video is scenario based. All right, before we go to the numbers, let's look at the setup. So number one, we're only going to look at the US national average salaries. Number two, we're going to use QQQI's 14% dividend yield. No capital gains, no capital losses, just pure dividends. And last but not least, we're going to break the salaries down into three categories: entry level, median level, and peak level salary. All right, so let's get to the numbers. All right, so entry level. So the average entry level salary for an X-ray technician is $55,000. So that means we would need to have $393,000 invested into QQQI in order for us to place the entry level salary of an X-ray technician. All right, next up is median salary. So the median salary, average median salary for an X-ray technician is $67,000 a year. So that would mean that we would need to have $479,000 invested into QQQI in order for us to replace our median salary as an X-ray technician. All right, guys, finally, peak salary. So the average peak salary for an X-ray technician is $90,000 a year. So that means we would need to have $643,000 invested into QQQI in order to replace our peak salary as an X-ray technician. So let's do a summary. Entry level salary, $393,000 in QQQI. Median salary, $479,000 in QQQI. Peak salary, $643,000 into QQQI. Now guys, how did I get this equation? I got this equation by taking the average salaries and dividing it by 0.14, which is 14% yield and a decimal form. All right, guys, that wraps up the numbers. And you guys are probably watching this video. You're probably thinking to yourself, I don't have $400,000 or $500,000, $600,000, $700,000. And guys, in reality, most people do not have those figures. It is not about having a large lump sum of money. It's about working your way up to those figures. Guys, as long as you stay consistent, as long as you stay disciplined and invest in all types of markets, you will achieve your figures. You will achieve your goals. Now, guys, I'm not going to promise you with this strategy that you're going to retire in 5, 10, 15 years. It might take you 30 to 40 years. It's all going to depend on you. It's all going to depend on how much money you put into QQQI ETF on a regular basis. Guys, before we wrap this up, I just want to give you guys a quick warning. Yes, we are talking about QQQI ETF. This is the ETF that has been performing very well in the past, and it's still performing very well, even in a shaky market of this caliber. But understand this, future returns are not guaranteed. QQQI is an investment, so just like any investment, it can go bad. Now, you guys got to take this into consideration as well. QQQI's NAV can erode, the dividend can be cut, or the dividend can be reduced, especially if we are in a bad market, like a recession or a depression, or even a bear market. So guys, just keep that in your head as a reminder. So basically, just don't put all your eggs in one basket. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. If you guys found this video helpful, informative, or even entertaining, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Also, guys, hit that notification bell so you know when my next video will come up. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. And guys, a couple of questions for you. Have you guys ever been an X-ray technician or currently an X-ray technician? Go ahead and put that in the comment section. Are you guys a QQQI investor? If so, how many shares do you have? And how much money do you want to make from this ETF? Also put that in the comment section. Guys, again, thank you for watching and thank you for all the new subscribers. I absolutely appreciate it. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.